So, welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be walking you through a detailed analysis of Dubai property market, covering data from 1950 to all the way to 2021. This study was developed using Power BI with data extracted from Dubai property price Excel datasheet. Our goal is to understand market behavior, area performances, property value trend, and mainly identify key investment opportunities in Dubai evolving real estate landscape. So that might help the stakeholders or the property buyers to finalize the property they should buy for the best return on investments. So let's get started. So here's the first project overview. So the overview is such as the data set consists around 50,000 properties listed spanning multiple decades. We have categorized properties by size, mainly 2, 3, 4 BHKs, and by the neighborhoods type suburbans, hubs, and rulers. Using Power BI, I have designed an interactive dashboard to track market movements and compare neighborhood performances and visualize property pricing across time. Our goal was simple. Find out what drives property value in Dubai and where's the best investment opportunities lies. So during this, I have started with preparing and cleaning the data set. So firstly, I have seen every possible inconsistencies that might be available in the data sheet, such as blank spaces, incorrect formats, duplicates, etc. So first I have removed every null spaces that are available in the data set, then removed duplicate that might be present in the data set, and then changed every format of every column to appropriate format so that might not get in the way of my analysis during creating a dashboard in Power BI. Then the dataset was used in the Power BI dashboard for analyzing the data and the market trend. So the key insights that I have got during this period was like there were total 50,000 properties were listed during 1950 and 2021. So some key insights are such as the average property across all listings is around uh, 20, 224k dirhams, while the highest property reached nearly 500k. The data also reveals an interesting historical pattern with the oldest property built in 1950 and the newest in 2021. The wide range gives us a clear picture of how Dubai's property market has evolved over time from early construction phase to the modern luxury driven market we see today. So, the location based comparison, such as the neighborhood comparison, we get deeper information on location-based pricing. Our analysis shows that urban areas consistently maintains the highest property per square feet. That's largely because of the proximity to the key commercial centers, better infrastructures, and luxury development. Rural areas, on the other hand, have much larger property sizes, but their price per unit area remains sufficiently lower. Suburban zones falls right in the middle. They strike the perfect balance between affordability and accessibility, making them popular choice amongst mid-tier buyers and families. Let's analyze the summary. So before analyzing the summary and the recommendations, I would first mention some market behaviors and demand insights. Like when we look at the property age and demand, a clear pattern emerges. Newer property, especially those built after 2000 shows noticeably higher demands and stronger prices. Buyers are increasingly prioritizing modern architectures, smart home features, and energy. Urban and suburban markets dominates in the term of both value and volume, while rural properties remain niche but stable. This reflects Dubai's continuous expansion in planned suburban communities that balance comfort, connectivity, and cost. So, let's move on to summaries and recommendations. Based on the analysis, here are some actionable insights for the investor focus on mid-sized homes in emerging suburban zones. They offer a strong potential for appreciation and rental yields. For developers, concentrate on space-efficient modern housing with high demand urban and suburban regions. And for policymakers and city planners, support infrastructure and transport connectivity to the outskirts. It will help stabilize prices and attract more residential investments. So the conclusion of this analysis was that, to summarize, Dubai's real estate market continues to be one of the most dynamic in the world. For the historic builds in 1950s to age-cutting projects in 2021, the city's growth story is reflected directly in its property prices. The data proves one thing: location, modernization, and smart developments are the key to sustainable real estate values in Dubai. So here's the interface that I have designed for my dashboard. As you can see, there are four KPI cards. There are multiple slices, multiple charts that you can use for finding out each and every aspect of the analysis, such as if you want to see how many total listings are there in the rural areas, how many listings are there in the suburbs and the urban areas. You can simply use the neighborhood slices to slice between rural suburbs and urban areas. And there are total, as you can see, the analysis clearly states that there are total 50,000 listings. Average square feet is around 2K, and the maximum price is around 492K, while average price is around 224.8K. As you can see, there is a chart present by average of size by bedrooms and neighborhoods. As you can see, the suburbs offer more value for lesser bedrooms, while rural areas provides more rooms at very efficient prices, mainly present at lowered values. So, as we came to the conclusion for this analysis, we thank you for watching. I am Zahid Khan, and this was a data-driven look at the property market analysis. See you in the next analysis. Thank you.